empowering your clients, can you tell us what the first pillar of your story represents?
Understanding what it is when they're discussing how to represent themselves, understanding what you're going in for, understanding how to articulate your story to that judge or that magistrate, wherever you are, whatever jurisdiction you're in.
Can you explain to us exactly what preparing to self-file is?
Preparing to self file is the portion where we help you get everything together. You look at what it means to submit your argument. You look at what it means to object to whatever she's saying because you do have a right to object. Okay. We want you to know what paperwork you have to file for whatever reason.
Can you break down exactly what courtroom etiquette is under winning strategy?
Under winning strategy, we say courtroom etiquette is knowing how to. When we say knowing how to talk to that judge, all right, or that magistrate, whatever jurisdiction you're in.
Can you break down exactly what a mock trial is with winning strategies?
A mock trial with winning strategies is where we give you, I'll say, 2 sessions to present your case. We'll give you 1 session with no education. So with that mock trial, you're learning how to remain in control of you. You're presenting yourself as the best you.
So, Eric, I'm looking at the website right now. How do I donate to winning strategies and to this program?
And listen, to donate to Winning Strategies, just hit the donate button right at the bottom of Givelify. Hey, if you don't want to use Givelify, we still use Cash App, $ Winning Strategies. Just put in the amount, and you good to go. Every dollar helps the dad gets the joint custody that he deserves.